Hi friends, this is 5 Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A31 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can use screen of gesture smartphone Oppo A31. First of all, on your phone, go to the settings here and click on convenience tools. Now click on gestures and motions. Now click on screen of gestures and turn on the button again screen of gestures. First one is double tap to turn screen on. Double tap on the empty screen and screen be turned on. When your phone screen is off, you go to double tap on the empty screen. See here. And next is draw O to enable camera. Draw O, camera will be enabled, so you can take a picture. Draw a V to turn on flashlight. Draw V to turn on flashlight. See in the back side, flashlight is turned on. The next, draw music control. Next, screen of gestures. Here you can set any function. First one is I set for an app, so I use this drawing and that particular app will open, that is Google Play Store. That's all friends, bye.